So hello, we have Mr. Nayan Kurup today with us from Cassini. You can give your introduction.
Sure, my name is Nayan Kurup. I'm the co-founder of Cassini Technology Consulting Private Limited. We are an IT company based out of Pune. We basically provide consulting services to companies who have implemented SAP solutions. We build smart solutions. So the first solution which we've built is a smart invoice management solution. So it uses the OCR technology, and it scans your invoice, and it makes it much more user friendlier. So our experiences, so our solutions are built around the logo, which basically says experience-centric SAP solutions. So for us, it's very, very important that the user who's using the solution should have a great experience when he's processing an invoice, for example. We have different features incorporated in the solution, like we have an automated workflow, and we have the OCR definitely, which scans the invoice. Plus we have a fancy dashboard which helps businesses keep track of their incoming invoices. Also we have an inbuilt analytics feature to it as well, so the reporting is right on the dashboard. So it's good because it provides you a brief overview of, let's say, the top 5 SKUs that you procure, the top 5 vendors, how many of your invoices have gone into errors. It helps you get all that information on a single dashboard. So that's the first solution. Of course, over the period of time, we'll keep building some more solutions. We also provide SAP consulting services. We have a premium wine and spirit manufacturer as our customer, and we provide SAP consulting services for them as well. So in a nutshell, yes, that's what we do. We are SAP specialists. That's what we like to call ourselves, and building experience-centric SAP solutions.